What's up, everyone? It is Jani. Welcome back to my channel. Now, today I want to respond to a question I just got hit up this morning on my Instagram, thanks to Chris Murphy, about having trouble and not knowing how to approach a company to hopefully earn a spot in their lineup or get hired by a company. He right now is a freelance DJ and he's looking to pair up with a company that can maybe provide more opportunity, maybe help him get over the hurdle that he's currently sitting at, and hopefully fill his calendar with more dates. So I wanted to break this down to 3 easy tips on how any DJ should, in my mind, approach a company owner or approach a company in hopes of earning their spot on their roster for events. And I broke it down to this. Think about your why. Why do you want to get involved with this company? Be as honest as possible and write out a little paragraph as to why this is even something you are considering doing. I think that is a really, really important step in the overall process. Make sure that you incorporate your why into the initial email, the initial phone call, or the initial conversation that you're having with the person that is potentially considering you to be part of their tribe. I think understanding your why tells you a lot about people. I can think back to any of the times we brought someone on board here at SCE. The first question I always asked was, why do you want to be part of this family? So I think if you are looking to be part of someone's family, it's super important that you understand what you're looking for or why you want to go there. And I think understanding that and having that prepared and available will get you in front of the line in terms of consideration. Number 2 is have your press kit available. I'm talking about good images of your headshot or you rocking at parties if you have them. Have information about the equipment that you own. Maybe mixes of you working, whether they're on Twitch, recordings that are on Mixcloud or SoundCloud, or whatever platform that you use. Also, if you have video content that is real, as in not edited to look like a super reel, legit footage of you crushing a party, all is stuff that I always look for when someone's reaching out to me to be part of my SCE tribe. I always want to know what they sound like, what they look like, things that they've done, and I want to make sure it's not a produced in Ableton style mix. I want to hear all the flubs. I want to hear that it was live. I want to hear the scratches. I want to hear the mixes. I want to hear how they played that party at that given time. I think having this stuff available, organized, and ready to go will only help you land a spot at this company. My final tip is about your what. What are you trying to achieve? And don't confuse what with why you want to get there. Think about what you want out of this and what you bring to the table that can either accent or help this company in some way that maybe you see as an opportunity. Think about not only your why, but think about what you bring to the table, what you are looking for out of this company, and be incredibly candid in the conversation. Don't hold back. If you have expectations of things that you want to see, make sure that you are forthcoming in what you are looking for out of this experience. Make sure that you literally lay it all out on the table day one. And I promise if you do that and the other steps I just mentioned, you will set yourself up for success and hopefully land a home, and a good home, at the company that you are trying to be part of. My name is Jani. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or anything at all, throw it in the comments underneath this video and I'll do my best to respond to it. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. If there's something that you'd like to add, something that you felt to be super beneficial in helping you land a spot at a company or maybe opening a door with an opportunity, please throw it in the comments under this video, and thank you once again for watching.